Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to cancel. Open the Uber app and sign into the exact account that holds the membership. Once logged in, go straight to your profile or the menu, then tap Payments or Subscriptions to surface active plans. You're doing this to stop recurring charges, so confirm which card or receipt matches the membership. Once you see the subscription entry, pause. Note the renewal date and any prorated refund policy. This matters for timing and potential refunds. Now, select the active membership line to reveal plan details and billing cycle. You'll see options like Manage or Cancel. Tap Cancel and read the terms so you know whether you'll keep access until period end or get a prorated refund. If Cancel is missing, navigate to Help then Account Support and submit a cancellation request. Include account email and last four of payment card. This step ensures Uber records the termination officially, and finish by confirming the cancellation. You should get an in-app notice and an email. Save that confirmation screenshot. Make sure to check your next billing statement so charges have stopped. Sometimes it shows a pending charge that clears differently. If you're billed after cancellation, contact Uber support quickly, provide the confirmation, screenshots of billing, and payment details, and request a refund. This speeds resolution and documents why you canceled in case you need escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.